So, hickory chickens have finally come up. So, I'm gonna go find some. I found 10 the other day, and well, I'm gonna go see if I can find any more. I'll also teach you how to find them. Now, as far as I know, they like dead things. They like to be on banks, kind of like that. Banks kind of like that. That's what they kind of like. And they also like water a lot. So it might take them a while to come up if it hasn't rained in a while. Banks, kind of like this. Found some right through here. I'm gonna go see if I can find any. Thought that was one, it was not. Oh, that was a briar and I just took my hand to it. That's enough. One tip is that, like, get rid of lighting would be good. One tip is to sit down and look. They can be very small, and in these leaves, they can be really hard to find because they're the same colors, and they may just be barely poking out. So sit down low, I am right now, and just take a look around. Get your head very low to the ground. I thought I saw one, but it was a leaf. Also, another tip, watch where you're stepping, because you may step on them and crush them. I found 2 right here the other day. Don't know if there's any more though. I just accidentally took a picture, but I'm gonna get down low. I'm gonna look around. I'm gonna get down low and I'm gonna look around. That's what I'm doing right now. Oh, if you look, there is actually the stem. You see that? There's the stem. Where I picked one too long ago. Come on, there's a little bit of leaves if I can find any. No, stems. There's one. Focus. Okay, 1 and 2. I picked 2 the other day. There was like a massive storm that came by the other day. So all of my access points are going to be a little bit more limited. But I believe I did spot one the other day up here and I haven't picked it yet, so I'm going to do it. I think I went in the tunnel. There's some out through here. Don't see none. Yep. I saw this one from the car going down, coming from school. But that's what they look like right there. As you can see. Any more? I don't see any more. That's how hard they can be spot. I mean, they can be back here. They can be anywhere. This guy, he likes the shade. And to pick them, you don't want to pull them up the roots because they'll never come. You don't want to pull them out from the roots because they'll never come back again. So you just want to I'm done here, and just pull them from basically where tip the mushroom is. Now this guy, he's a little bit hard, so like that. And I didn't give him the roots. Just boom, boom, and there's one. So that was a bird. I just saw a bird, but there's one. Let's go look for some more. I'm actually gonna look right through here. Might be some more in this little shaded area. Oh, another thing I actually forgot is to shake them. Now, that's just something I've heard. It gets the spores and it makes the spores plant. It also might shake out a lot of bugs. But the splint makes the spores plant. So more will show up. I don't see no more here. Wait a minute. thought I saw one. Nope. Wasn't one. Oh crap, here's one right here. That almost looks like a wasper nest. But it's a mushroom. Let's do it again. Bottom. Yep. And shake them. Yep. There's probably more. We have at least 2. Oh my goodness. I was just walking over here. I just turned off the camera, dude. How did I miss that? Oh, I fell. How did I miss that? I just happened to look over and see it. Okay, time to get it, I guess. Tops broke off. Okay. Yep. Another one in the bag.
Good in the film to identify the trees.
What you saying?
I said, see how that tree's hanging. This could be part of the
movie.
And how these trees are dying. And all the trees around them, if you could identify what trees they are and say it in your movie and say, that's why, possibly is a theory why we found this big chicken.
Where'd you spot it?
Yeah, I spotted it walking.
Where's that, Mom?
To your right.
Alright. How far up?
Right around where them green things are. I don't see it now.
Where these things are? Oh, yeah, I see it. I found it.
Okay.
Recording? That is a pretty good one. Oh, actually pulled it from its root. That's the best one we found all day. I found a balloon. On it. I just suspect that that's got too much bun marks on here. I fell. Oh, we're cooking.
Hickory chicken.
That's right.
And move on that. December 4th, I had some thoughts about that thing that they wanted. They were hoping that it was going to get great. They've been excited, you've done all that. And even fucked up because the secret for
You may show like how high they're up.
You didn't see the college, you didn't see any of that.
Be pleased to take dog out of my.
Okay, first you need to wash it. Seasons are we using, Mom?
Salt, pepper, and Creole.
So what are you getting right now, Mom? What are you getting right now?
Right now, I'm getting the things we're going to need to prepare, such as the eggs.
Yeah.
We'll have to whisk at least 2 eggs in a bowl.
Okay.
This is my whisker.
How are we cooking it? How do you cook hickory chicken?
We're going to fry it in oil or butter. We also...
Is it that oil right there?
And butter.
Almost 28 years at eye level. But every
We
channel
also need to
around the
get
past
flour.
18 hours has been on the
Getting flour.
You have your measuring cup. This comes in 1/2 cup. That will be to measure the amount of flour and meal that you're going to use. Because I always add a little meal.
The basis for business integrity and a well-functioning business marketplace is true and accurate.
So are we actually gonna? So do you cook them whole or do you like to cut them in half?
After I wash them, I cut them in half. Now I'm looking for butter.
So we have 4 pieces, so we'll have 8, right?
Yes. A little butter to the grease. Gonna wash my hands.
What do we do next?
This is not serious. Harris said Michael Cohen's in that indictment.
Going to, after I wash them, I'm going to cut them in half.
So what do you need to cut these?
A sharp knife.
A what?
A sharp knife.
Really?
Yeah.
I got a question. Can you eat those black parts?
The black parts.
Yeah, look.
I trim them up. I get off all that dead stuff because I don't know.
Yep.
Like that. With a glove.
What was it again?
I said, here's a little trick you can do with the glove. You put your stuff you want to discard in your hand, like this, and you put your fists together, go inside the glove with your other hand, flip it around. Ta-da.
Did you learn that in nursing?
Yes, I did.
President Biden reacting to the
There's always a fresh deal on the subway now, like this one.
So what have we been letting it do?
Okay, we have some butter on the stove. It's currently
What have we been letting it do?
we've been letting it just soak in water.
What kind of water?
Salt water.
Why that? Why salt water?
I guess to keep them fresh, and then maybe it'll help draw the water into them, being so
It also
dried
makes it
out.
taste a little bit better, won't it?
Yeah. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put these out to dry from the water. And I'm going to bring them over here. I'm going to sit them on the stove for right now. While in a bowl, I'm going to put about a cup of flour. And as you can see, cornmeal. White self-rising cornmeal. I'm going to take my 1/2 cup and I'm going to put that on there. We're going to just mix that together a little bit. Actually, I'll probably take this and just kind of mix it up. There. And I'm going to whisk 2 eggs.
Can I eat that?
No. I'm going to turn on low and kind of let that butter melt a little bit.
It melt?
Yeah. I'm just going to add a little swig. Just enough. Just whisk that in. Mix this up again. At this time, I'm going to take my mushrooms and I'm going to put my seasoning on them.
Couldn't you put the seasoning in the flour?
You could, Sometimes we'll put a dash of it also in the flour, and that is just salt, pepper,
And whatever that is, the green bottle
Creole.
stuff.
Creole, Tony Souchery's Creole seasoning.
Not sponsored?
You got no. Not yet. Not yet. I'm gonna put that in the seasoning, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit. Probably just put it in my hand and sprinkle it on. Just kind of.
Let's see if your gloves on.
Yeah. And salt, just kind of sprinkle it on there. And pepper. Now I'm going to stick these down in the eggs and let them marinate just a little bit while I get rid of these. I'm going to get rid of this paper towel, and I'm going to take the butter, it's melting there, all around the skillet. Now this is kind of like a process. I didn't use any oil, I'm just doing mine in butter. Some people might do it differently. Also need my little pincher.
What's that?
This is my little home that I'll be getting the mushrooms out. So now we got a process here. They're gonna go from the marinade. I'm gonna make sure this egg gets really in there. And then they go straight from there to over here. You can also put these in, excuse me, in a Ziploc bag and do it kind of like the shake and bake. Now from here, I'm gonna turn, I've had my heat on low, just kind of melting the butter, but you can see some bubbling. I guess we need better light.
That'll work. What?
I want to make sure that, as you see the fire, so it gets it pretty good. I don't want I want to kind of get that fry thing right at first. I kind of shake the extra off on the side.
Smells good.
Might be some little tiny pieces. I think I got all of them.
Smells good.
I'm going to take this.
Got all of them?
Yeah. That's all of them. Now I'm just going to kind of throw it in there.
Charlie, what are you doing?
And it don't take long. You kind of flip them over.
They're about already done, it looks like to me, ain't it?
Yeah. I turn the heat down a little bit because I don't want it to burn. I turn it down medium.
That looks bussin', for real.
I'm going to cover this just so it'll like cook maybe from the inside. I'm getting ready to take them off of it.
What?
Alright, they're done.
So, I have the hickory chickens here, and my battery on my camera kind of went dead, so I had to charge it real quick, so I kind of ate a few of them, but I'm going to act like that I didn't eat them. That is very delicious. We also made scrambled eggs out of the egg wash as well. What'd you think about it, Mom? Did you?
What do you think about them, Mama? It's good. hickory chickens is one of my most favorite things to fix. So Isaac, was mine better than Kelly's?
No.
You are no longer my favorite child.
So guys, I see you guys next time. I will be probably posting, I don't know. Oh, that'll be it. So anyways, that'll be it. I'll see you guys next. So anyways, that'll be it. I'll see you guys next time.
You should